Dear viewers, today I am going to calculate the displacement, velocity, acceleration of a simple harmonic motion. So, according to the geometrical figure, a circle has been shown here. A particle at point B is moving around this circle. Just a certain time t, it has been moved from B point to P point at a time t. So the angle is theta, which is the displacement which has been shown linearly x distance. So how can we calculate x distance? From the geometrical figure, sin theta equal to OM by OP. So this OM equal to x and OP is the OP is equal to A, which is nothing but the radius of the circle. So we will have it according to the definition, theta equal to omega equal to theta by t, where omega is nothing but the angular velocity. So we have theta equal to omega t. So omega equal to omega by t, theta equal to omega t. It has been put here. If the phase angle this equal to delta, so we can write down omega t plus delta, which has been increased just delta. So we have the displacement x equal to a sin omega t plus delta. So now we are going to calculate the velocity. If we know that if we have the displacement of a particle, we have to calculate the velocity, because the velocity is nothing but the rate of change of displacement. So if we insert this by the calculation of the calculus, we have it as sin theta. Sin theta, this is nothing but a but the angle. So sin theta equal to cos theta. So we have it. Then according to the trigonometry, cos theta equal to sin theta. So sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta equal to 1 sin square theta. Theta is the amount of this. So we can write down this equal to a omega 1 minus sin square this equal to this. From this calculation, we know the x sin omega t plus delta equal to x by a. So x by a sin theta equal to x by a. So we can write down sin square theta equal to x square by square root over. So according to the calculation, omega a is square minus x square root, again we have a square is root over, so this has been vanished here. We have v equal to omega a square minus x square. This is the final. What is the maximum value of the velocity of the simple harmonic motion? So this equal to x and this equal to a. So if we have x equal to 0, so we will have the maximum velocity. So we will have the maximum velocity x equal to m, that is this equilibrium position. B is the equilibrium position. If we take the bob is in the equilibrium position, that is x equal to 0, so we will have the maximum velocity of the motion. So we will have this omega a maximum, omega a x equal to 0. So we will have it x equal to 0. So we will have omega square root over a, omega a maximum or minimum when a equal to x. This is equal to a. When a equal to x, so if we put this value a equal to x, so total a is equal to a, so the total magnitude of the velocity will be 0. Again, the acceleration, we know the rate of change of velocity of a particle is called the acceleration. So dv by dt. So v equal to this a omega is constant, so it has been taken out. D by dt cos. So if we calculate it by the help of the calculus differential equation, so d by dt equal to cos equal to sine and negative. So we will have it. Again, the differentiation of omega t is omega, so it has been taken here. A square sine this angle. If according to the our simplicity convenient, so x equal to this. So it has been x equal to this a omega a sine omega t. We are going to set this value a sine. So omega square here, a sine has been taken within the bracket. So this is nothing but the x. So this equal to, this is the acceleration. If the maximum acceleration of the particle, so a will be x. So we will have this, and the minimum when x equal to 0, a equal to, so if we x equal to 0, so total magnitude will be 0. Thank you very much, dear students. Assalamu alaikum once again.